Hello dear student, how are you all? I think everyone are fine there. So student, tomorrow is your first exam. Which it is? Yes, it is an English subject. So student, welcome back to an English class. Here I am your new teacher Prasad Javliso and the remaining academic year will be taken by me. So student, tomorrow is an exam of English subject. I hope everyone are well prepared for the exam. So this video is based related to tomorrow's exam and here we are going to do a short revision over the syllabus whatever is being uploaded there on the group and everyone are familiar with this syllabus. Yes or no student? I think yes. Really? Is it? Fine. So here we are going to see how many of the lessons are coming here for the syllabus and with the syllabus uh, how many of you are totally aware about the lessons which are coming and many of you have already written the question and answers, okay, of each and every respective lessons, okay, and you have made a proper notes regarding to it. Yes or no students? Along with you have to do some grammar portion also, and here ma'am have been already taught you related to the grammar. Here on the grammar you would have an possessive determiner. What it is? Possessive determiner. And related to this ma'am have already taught you. No issue. Here I have left it one more video related to the possessive determiner. You have to watch this video thoroughly and attend the questions whatever asked there on the question paper. So but determiner should be well versed or well revised by you all, okay, according to the ma'am's teaching. And here we will discuss some related videos regarding to the determiner. No issue. Then so your preparation should be good, okay, it should be nice one and you should have a good writing skill. So might be you have seen the video which have been already uploaded there in your group related to the question paper pattern and the marks distribution video. You have seen it and you are well revised or well practiced with what I have said, how to write the answers, which question you have to begin first and afterwards which question you have to write. So you should know each and everything about this. So student, let's begin with the syllabus paper, what the syllabus paper is telling and how to attend the questions there. So let's begin. Okay, all right. So this is your syllabus paper. Okay, yes, class 6th, which is post term 1 examination of English. It is a syllabus paper for you. So there in the serial number 1 in the unit number section A, name of the lesson is the new doll. Section A of unit number 1, name of the lesson the new doll. And ma'am have been already taken this lesson and each and everything about the new doll has been explained to you in such a good manner. Okay student, so here in the new doll whatever based related to the text you have to read it very thoroughly and practice the questions which comes behind the exercises, even the grammar portion also, and whatever you have made the notes regarding to this lesson you have to read it once again. You should take a proper glance and you should write an appropriate answer related to this, okay, the new doll. Then comes serial number 2, which is unit number B, okay, 3 days to see. 3 days to see. Okay, this is a lesson which had been already taught by the ma'am and you are familiar with the text, what is the text all about, and here comes the question and answers in the exercise portion. So you have to revise all the question and answers related to the exercise portion. Then comes the serial number 3, which is unit number C, what it is, Tumai of the elephants. What it is, Tumai of the elephants. So here in the Tumai of the elephants, so this is what the question answers have been taught by me. So here what you have to do, just be familiar with the question and answers whatever taught there in the class, and get know what is there in the poem. Okay, what it is in the poem. Then comes you have your grammar portion, okay, which is divided among two parts, A and B. First one will be a determiners, another one will be articles. Okay, do you know determiners? And it is well revised by ma'am. And here comes the articles, A and the. So A and are called indefinite articles, the is called definite article. Why the is called definite article? Because it is a specific, only one. And here A and an is unspecific. Okay, many number of things can be added here, A and an. When to use a in front of consonant sounds, when to use an in front of vowel sound, and when to use the to address something specific in this universe is called, then we can use the article. So here we have one point, student. Question will be based on behind the exercises of every lesson. So you should be well versed or well revised or well read all the lessons of your textbook, and you should read the question and answers thoroughly. Understood, student? This is all about tomorrow's exam. So student, all the best for tomorrow's exam. Do well. You have any doubts, you are free to text me there in the WhatsApp. I'm going to clarify your doubt. Okay student, for the time being, watch this video from the beginning till last. Okay, and get each and everything perfectly. Even watch the first video and then watch this video, then watch the videos related to the determiners and articles. Okay student, take care, have a nice day, watch this video thoroughly. Okay, bye bye.